Ramiz Daudi also on the telecast with me. Asif, I would like to understand from you, what is your perception about the lack of support that Nimisha is getting from our politicians, our political leaders, Muslim leaders? I don't know why have our politicians shied away from coming out in support of Nimisha in view of the circumstances that force her to take such a drastic, brutal step. She has had no criminal history in the past. She is a nurse. She's gone to Yemen to earn a living. She's left her family behind, and it's an honest work that she has been doing. Having checked his background, does it merit for the Yemen government under the Sharia law to execute her? And the question that I'm asking is, a situation, if we build a contrast to what happened to Afzal Guru, the terrorist who was executed in the rarest of the rare cases, he was hanged by death. There was a midnight trial that went on for days together. There were protests, there were rallies, there were marches in support of Afzal Guru. And I think our politicians were really vocal in, some of them really vocal in showcasing their support to a terrorist, the attacker of the parliament building in 2001. So why are our politicians, the likes of Uwaisi, the likes of the Gandhis, not coming out and supporting Nimisha Priya, seeking justice?
Well, Megha, coming to your question straight away, I believe there are a few challenges and one should understand it. One thing is like, it's not there in India, it's on a foreign land, and in a country where we do not operate our embassy and we do not have direct ambassador there, we cannot channelize any kind of dialogue with the right government. And when we talk about this, we do not have a stable channel there itself within the government that who is the right person to talk to. Therefore, there were efforts. I mean, I think Indian government has been doing a lot, and it's only because of this, because of these kinds of dialogues and negotiations. Perhaps it's not today, it's been a long time, and they are working on this. And that's the result. At least today it was supposed to be done, and it's got extended for some reasons or the other. This shows something that, there is at least a light of hope and positivity here, that something got changed. Until yesterday, I mean, even I was in a debate on the same topic and I was quite hopeless. I was thinking that it's not going to happen. I mean, it's going to be done today itself, but at least we got some extra time. And when you talk about the support, etc., I believe there are limited options for us. I've been living in this, out of India, I mean, for my job. I know the situation, and as one of the and the panelist was also mentioning that those who work outside, they should also think about certain things. I mean, I know the situation and I understand what's happening, but the end result is that it's a murder case, and there is a rule for this country, and the country where they do not have any. India has lots of challenges handling this because they do not have the direct representative there, and who is the right person to talk to. Therefore, we even talk to, try to get into having some sort of based on the good relationship with Iran. Indian government also tried through, I mean, as per the media reports, that was the only channel, that was the only source, better than having the direct negotiations. So here, the things here are like, in such situations, whatever is the scenario, the thing here is that in the court, they are saying that it was a murder case. And here, when you talk about the blood money, the ultimate decision, even bigger than the court or something, that the family members or the direct relatives, if they forgive someone, then it happens. That's what they call blood money. They are not accepting that. Some of them are ready, others